Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today I'm going to talk about Oeko-Tex Standard 100 certificate with you. We all want to buy tested clothes to ensure that they do not touch harmful substance in our anyway. But in the process of transfer, the DTF film is complete contact with the fabric. The toxic substance will move into the material if they exist in the DTF film, and it will eventually affect our health. Oeko-Tex Standard 100 certificate is the most authoritative and influential textile electrical label in the world. The Oeko-Tex Standard 100 label products have been tested and certified by well-known textile testing institutions in 15 countries worldwide. The products with Oeko-Tex Standard 100 label provide the guarantee of product ecological safety. Our DTF film is with Oeko-Tex Standard 100 certificate. Choose ours and deliver your customer trusted textile. Please get in touch with us if you have any question. Thanks for your watching.